Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. Jeff Goodwin here, Forex Trading for Beginners. And as everybody knows, for me, it's all about changing lives. Today is the last day I'm going to promote the 500 pips per week club. It is now officially closed. It's now officially closed for entry. The only reason I'm here doing it today is because I promised I would do it every single day for the whole of the week. It's now officially closed. I know there's a few people who have tried sending me messages and I've still got back to them. If you're one of them, send me a message and what we'll do is we'll connect and we'll get you in the 500 pips per week club. So we're going to review yesterday. We're going to see what happened. But remember, yesterday was non-farm payroll day, extremely high volatile. Before we go any further, please either get a pen, paper, get a calculator, get a phone with a calculator on, or just a plain regular calculator, a computer, and mark these up with me. Because every time you trade with Jeff, you need to remember to bring your calculator. Here we go. Remember, the aim for the whole week is 500 pips for the week. We smashed it every single day this week. The whole target each day. So therefore, we need 100 a day, but we'll do way more than 500 every day. But the target is still only 100 pips a day. Here we go. Share my screen. Right now. Here we go. So ladies and gentlemen, what we've got here, we've got gold, silver, indices from the US, Europe, Japan, and Aussie 200. What you're looking upon here, this is the start of a day and the end of it, and this was yesterday. We're on a 1 hour time frame and regular candles. Now, the people that know me know how I trade. So I trade with the ninjas. Yeah, and we have a specific bit of technology called the matrix. And when the matrix is red, we do not buy. And I also back up with something called the dynamic magic line. If it's under the dynamic magic line, we do not buy. We only make a sell. Now we go to, got to be perfectly honest, as I'm looking up at that there, I was really not feeling the love for that at all. I have to be honest. I have to be careful at this time of year, New York Open, on a non-farm payroll. No trade. Stick to the rules. Silver. Background red. Under the magic line, we could have potentially get something here. From there, so as it just drops below there, ladies and gentlemen, we could have went down a smaller time frame. We could have got 150 pips and smashed the target once again. Yep. This one I wouldn't have taken. Why? Because it's under the magic line. Just a bit extra confirmation, ladies, but that's all it is. Even if it came back there. Yeah, and you would take that above the money line, which is just there, 5%. But it's still not the best, ladies and gentlemen. US 30. Here we go. Background red. Money magic line red. Here we go. Wait to go to the other side of the money line. We get it red. As soon as you see that, drop down a time frame. As I tell everybody, every single day. Once you see that going red, drop down a time frame. I'm going to remove that for a minute. Settings. Drop down a time frame to 5 or 15 minutes, whatever suits you, ladies and gentlemen. Wait till we get this. That is it there. Yeah. Wait for it to retrace back. Boom, and away you go. So let's do this. Here's a short. Wait for it to retrace. That one there's fine. Put this just above the. See that mark on the there? Just put it above there. Or if you want to put it even a little bit higher, you can. So let's mark this out. We'll go to before it went into the matrix. 2.73%. Thank you very much. Back to 1 hour time frame. Yep. Nice. Matrix red. Magic line red. Here we go. Here it goes. It drops below. 15, 5-minute time frame, whatever suits you. Where is it here, ladies and gentlemen? I've misplaced it. I'll go back to there. Can't find that. I'll do that again. We've got all this other stuff below and above. I'm not even spoken about. Yeah, into the 5-minute. Let's look for that there. That's it there. Yeah, here we go. So I want you to imagine this is you. Yeah, it goes underneath the money line just there. Here we go. Take a short right there. Where do we put this? Now they put it just above the money line, just above that line, just above that line. Anyone that suits you, ladies and gentlemen. If you're unsure, put it above that line there. It goes down, it goes down, it goes down. It keeps going down, ladies and gentlemen. Boom, shakalaka. A couple of the wrong way. Boom. Woo, another 100 pips. Thank you very much. Standard & Poor's 500. 1 hour time frame. Is every starting to see something a repeatable? You see, I already did this one. Look at this one. Boom. Great profit. I'm not going to bother looking at that one. I've already started looking at this one, as you can see. Straight down. Boom. So let me get, what colour is the background? Red. What colour is the money line? Red. And it's underneath it. Hallelujah. Wait to break through the money line. Boom. Now what you've got here, to be honest, this could have taken a wee place to trade there. It could have taken us out there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be honest. So minus that, it's a percentage down. Re-enter there. Yeah. Again, options. Above the money line, above the wicks. So if you've taken out, put it above the wicks, this one, just for a little bit extra reassurance. Thank you very much. Back there, 3%. Easy. Yeah. Where's the money line? The money line's underneath. Magic line, the money line's there. Take your trade up. Short. This is enters. There. 1.6%. The Euro 50. Red background. Magic line, red above. Excellent. We're looking for sell. Here we go. Short. You have to take that one there. Put it above there. Put it above the wicks. Or put it above there. But let's put it above the wicks. Here we go. Woo, another 5%. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. For those people who have not access to this incredible technology we've got in them. Oh, so I apologize. There's the magic line. There's the money line. There is the background. Okay, we look at this. See the wick? Just there. 4%. Boom. Here we go. Not a bad day, ladies and gentlemen. Not a bad day. So that's it. No more promotion of the 500 pips week club. It is officially closed. I know there's a couple of people who sent me a message, a few ideas. So if you're one of them that's still not, you've actually messaged me, or for whatever reason your message was not got through to me, there is still an opportunity, but it's officially closed. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for listening. For people that have decided to get involved, I will see you at the very top. Bye for now and have a great day.